In this video, we will learn how to use layouts. So there are different types of layouts in Primavera P6 Professional, and we will discuss how to save a layout, how to edit a layout, or how you can create a new layout. And the second one, we will also discuss how you can export activities data into Microsoft Excel. So first of all, here is the layout option. This is layout which is created by me, sample 1 activities. Here is a layout which is created by me. Its name is sample 1 activity Gantt plus detail. Here is a activity chart, here is a Gantt chart, and here is a detail window. So I have named this layout activity Gantt and detail. You can name whatsoever you like. So there are different types of layouts available here. When you click on the layouts, here you can see open. So there are different types of layouts. So currently I am working a layout of activities with showing activity ID, activity name, original duration, percentage complete, start, finish, and total float, etc. So there are many other layouts you can use as per your requirement. So here, for example, I am clicking activities and activity usage spreadsheet. Here you can see, and for example, classic EPS WBS layout here, and Gantt chart only here, and resource unit spreadsheet, resource cost, earned value analysis. So similarly, there are many layouts are available in Primavera P6 Professional. So here I have clicked just right now earned value analysis. Here is original duration, budgeted units, so earned value labor units, etc. all these things. So you can also export this and save a layout. For example, here I have created sample 1 activity Gantt detail. So you can also export, and after some time if you need, you can also import. Right now I have just opened the earned value analysis. I want to go back to my mine created by my the layout. Here is, I am opening. Here I came back to original layout which is created by my. So wherever I go, if there is some changes, I will just click on my layout, so all the things will come back to its original position. So now I will show you how you can copy the data from Primavera. For example, here I have clicked 5 or 6 activity 5 activities. By right clicking, copy, just go in Microsoft Excel and click here, paste. So you can see all the data of activities are copied from Microsoft PowerPoint Primavera P6 Professional software to MS Excel. So that's how you can play with layouts. Thank you.